It's Matchmaker Monday. Let's find your perfect match so you can sew yours.
Welcome back to another episode of Matchmaker Monday. My name's Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at all of the matchmakers that I've put together for our brand new PinDot micro polka dot vinyl collection with the coordinating water resistant canvases that are now available on our website at sewyours.com. Here's a quick look at the three colorways that we'll be going over today. The polka dots on the vinyls is a pure white, whereas the background on the water resistant canvas is a cream color. I wanted to do cream instead of a stark white, so we've got our black, our red, and our navy. While this design is rather simple, it is simply classic and makes for an adorable handbag. First up, we have a classic black and white PinDot polka dot vinyl paired up with our milled grain faux leather in black. And we've got the black and cream water resistant canvas PinDot. For your hardware finish, I would recommend nickel here. I think that one complements this best. Black zipper tape with nickel, and we have text 45 or 70 thread in the color black. Now if you like light gold, here is a look at the light gold, and here is a look at the gunmetal. To help you visualize what the PinDot looks like on a bag, I did start sewing this up this weekend. This was a prototype for a new pattern. This doesn't spark any joy for me, so I'm not moving forward with this particular pattern, but it's a nice opportunity to share with you what this print would look like on a bag. I think it's super adorable, very classic. Next up is a look at the red PinDot paired up with our cranberry Savannah suede. We've got our cranberry zipper tape, nickel hardware, and the red PinDot water resistant canvas. Here is a look at our cranberry thread in text 45 and text 70. Here is a look at the light gold hardware with the light gold coil. And this one is for those who like rose gold paired up with red. So I've got the cranberry zipper tape with the rose gold. Our final colorway is our navy PinDot paired up with our navy milled grain faux leather and the navy and cream water resistant canvas in the PinDot. We've got our navy zipper tape with the nickel coil, and we got our nickel hardware, and of course our navy text 45 or text 70 thread. And for a little pop, we've got our light gold hardware and our light gold coil here, so that way you can take a look at what that's going to look like. Thank you so much for watching today. To shop all of the products featured in today's video, check out the link in the description box below. I have also placed a link to all of our new arrivals. I was busy over the last week photographing and listing over 40 bag making materials on our website, so make sure you check out that new arrival link as well. Thank you for spending your Monday with me, and I hope you have a wonderful week.
Found your perfect match. Now it's time to sew yours. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and watch another Matchmaker Monday.